Good evening, gentlemen. We have Mr. Krishnan Jayaraj, who is from Tamil industry, who is one of the famous filmmakers. Have done a lot of movies. Few movies are Tamil Padam, and as well as Sonna Muyadu, and there are a lot of upcoming movies as well. So, good evening, Mr. Jayaraj. So, we have few questions to talk to him about the analytics. Okay, so that's one of the upcoming areas. So, what is the future of analytics, Mr. Jayaraj? What do you foresee about that?
Let me tell you about myself first. I'm Krishnan Jayaraj. I come from advertising and marketing background. I ran an advertising agency, and then I moved into film industry. I started with working with Mr. Amudan on his first debut film, and I was the co-director for the movie called Tamil Padam.
Okay.
It was the first ever spoof on Tamil films. And then I started writing my script, and I did my debut last year with Sonna Muyadu, featuring Shiva in the lead. It was a comedy, film. Yeah. So, and then now I'm writing something which is action crime, script, which is this year I think I will kickstart the project.
Okay.
The script is in the finalizing stages. See, I think analytics is going to play a critical role in film industry as well, because Hollywood, they've already started doing this. I think script analysis is a service rendered by private companies there. Once the script is done, there are companies which analyzes the script, the way the twists and turns are incorporated in the movie, in the script and all that. And now what IDMR is aiming to do is something even more futuristic, which is identifying the emotions from the script.
Okay.
Which quite excites me.
Okay.
And today I think even in Tamil industry or in the regional part of southern India, we have a lot of young filmmakers, including me, trying to use the technology in devising the script, writing the screenplay or projecting the budgets or planning the whole thing, pre-production. So we are looking at those options. We are looking, So I think IDMR, what IDMR is trying to do now is a great thing, But it's going to take some time. It's not going to be received immediately. But I think in time, people will start making use of these services.
Do you think this will have a great impact for the directors and as well as for the filmmakers, because they could understand the impact and sentiments of the public, right from the rural background, the urban background, and city atmosphere, so that they can bring the fantastic, develop a fantastic script. For example, like Kathi movie, you would have seen that, yes, of course, there is a lot of issues happening at the village side, and as well as corporates also ready to invest. So, do you think we can see a lot of these kind of social messages, movies, which is also right now people are interested to know about it? Do you think these kind of movies are likely to come so that directors can take advantage of it?
Yeah, I think the directors, the writers have it in them already. When they write, they understand the emotion. They, as they write, they understand the emotion. But when analytics come into play, I think it'll add value to it.
Okay.
It's not that we are trying to the machines can't do only can operate to a certain level. I think directors their vision, their thought process, they already understand the emotions. But definitely a service like this will enhance their thinking process.
Okay.
And places where they probably miss out on a few things, this can highlight.
Okay.
For example, what happens is, when you start writing, when you start working on a film, sometimes you get lost into the overall script. You might not be able to figure out some lower areas where you might be thinking that it is working. It is on an emotional level, but it may not be. So I think if IDMR can come up with such a good analytics that it can highlight those points,
Okay.
I think it will work wonders with filmmakers and writers.
Great answer.
Now today we have many courses offered by many universities, right from starting from DFT to visual communication to media technology, and many colleges even they offer media courses. I think students who pursue those career, as a course, I think they should explore into analytics as well. Their ability to understand the process will become much better if they get involved in
These kind of
analytics as well.
Okay.
ITMR is also helping me in the process of writing the script and helping me with the analytics and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So glad to know about that. And thanks for your time and thanks
Thank
for
you so much.
Thanks for listening.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.